Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Frank Can Do It. If I can do it, so can you. Today we will be eating Thai garlic butter shrimp. The recipe I have for you today is simple, easy, and most importantly, delicious. This is one of my most popular seafood dishes. If you love butter garlic shrimp, you're gonna love this dish. The difficulty rating for this dish is a 1.5 out of 5 stars, which means it's very easy. Here is a breakdown of the 5-star rating scale. The ingredients are very basic. Preparation is very easy. Cooking only involves boiling the shrimp and sauteing all of the other ingredients. The cost should be under $10, depending on where you buy your shrimp. Alright, get ready to take a screenshot of the ingredients. You will need extra jumbo 16 to 20 count shell and tail-on shrimp, half of a whole white or sweet onion, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 stick of butter, 10 to 12 peeled cloves of garlic, and fresh cilantro. Unlike other videos that only show you how to make something, I will show you where and what to buy. For some of my recipes, there are some items that you gotta get, and this is one of them. This chili garlic sauce can be found at any Asian market, but it also could be found in the Asian section of many major supermarkets. Okay, first we're going to chop the onions. Start by slicing the onion in about 1/4 inch slices. Then rotate the onion 90 degrees and do the same. It's a good idea to place all your prepped veggies into individual bowls. Next, you're going to mince the garlic. For safety, tuck in your knuckles inward and do not raise the blade higher than your fingers. Use a knife to pile the garlic back together and repeat this over and over. Do this until you have uniform, small-sized pieces. Finally, go ahead and wash and chop the cilantro. Next, boil a medium saucepan of water. Once the water begins to boil, add 12 pieces of the jumbo shrimp. The reason why we want the shell on is because it helps retain the shape of the shrimp. Otherwise, the shrimp will shrivel. It is very important not to overcook your shrimp. As soon as they turn orange and begin to float, remove the saucepan from the heat and immediately rinse in cold water. This will stop the shrimp from continuing to cook and keep the shrimp tender and plump. The shrimp will naturally have a butterfly split along the back, making it easy to peel the shell off. Peel the shell from the back forward and then grab the legs along with the shell, making it easy to just take everything off. Now that we have everything prepared, now we can start sauteing all the ingredients. Set your pan to a medium temperature. Then add the onions, butter, and garlic, and mix everything together. It is important to keep the temperature high enough that the butter melts, but low enough that nothing burns. Then add 1 tablespoon of the chili garlic sauce. Adding 1 tablespoon of the chili garlic sauce will only add flavor and will not be spicy. If you want this dish to have a kick, go ahead and add as much chili garlic sauce as needed. Go ahead and mix the sauce with the rest of the ingredients. Next, add 12 pieces of shrimp. Use your wood turners or spatula and flip over all the shrimp while covering it with the garlic, onions, and butter. Repeat this 2 or 3 times for 5 to 7 minutes. Then finally, you can add the chopped cilantro. Keep in mind, this is the final step and you don't want to overcook the cilantro. Once you mix in the cilantro, raise the temperature for 2 minutes to get it nice and piping hot. Because we initially undercooked the shrimp's texture is going to be nice, firm, and plump. All of the wonderful flavors of the garlic, butter, and onions is now accented by the cilantro. You can eat this as a side dish or plate it on top of a bed of rice. Not only does the shrimp taste amazing, but all the garlic butter, cilantro, and onions makes the rice taste delicious. This actor likes to eat the shrimp first and then pours the rest of the sauce on his rice after. Today's Korean word of the day is 맛있어요, which means delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more simple, easy, delicious dishes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.